So I can't stop making this, I can't stop eating it. We've got feta cheese hummus, chickpeas, lemon, tahina or tahini olive oil, garlic, a little bit of black pepper, a little bit of cumin. Oh, it's so good. I love this one. Welcome back to How to Cook Great. So I'm going to be showing you what I'm using today, but you can adjust the amounts of all of this to suit your palate. So there I've got cooked chickpeas. There are 2 cans there. So it's about 3 to 4 cups in total cooked. If you're using from a can like I am, drain them off and give them a nice wash through some cold water, you know. Feta cheese, 2 cups, half a cup cilantro or coriander, a teaspoon of black pepper and cumin. You might notice I'm not adding salt. You can if you want, but I find the cheese salty enough. Teaspoon or so of chopped garlic, half a cup of olive oil. Try and use a nice quality olive oil if you can. Half a cup of tahina or tahini, which is a sesame paste, and then like a 1/4 cup of lemon juice. Like I say, adjust it all how you like. It all goes into a food processor. We're going to whiz it up. It's done. It's delicious. So a food processor with that sort of blade happening here. In go the chickpeas, the feta, garlic, cumin and pepper, cilantro or coriander, whatever you call that, lemon juice, olive oil, and then we're going to get in our tahina or tahini. Going to put that on just for like 3 or 4 minutes. You can have it chunky or smooth, it's up to you. Okay, so look, I like it just about there. Have it chunkier or have it smoother. Let's have a taste of that. I'm loving that so much. Okay, and there you go. Look, what I've done is I've put some sliced lemon on there, a little drizzle of olive oil, some feta cheese as a signature, and a little bit of sumac, or you could put some chili powder or paprika on. I'm loving that so much. Hope you enjoy that. Keep safe, keep well. I'll see you soon. Lots of love. Thanks a lot for getting to the end of the video. If you'd like to give me a thumbs up, that does help us out quite a lot with the algorithm and such like. Subscribe if you like, you'll get notified about what we're doing. There's a thanks button if you want to donate. See you soon.